Our approach to waste, both human and artificial, has a profound impact on the future of humanity and our planet. 1/3 of the world's population still lives without basic and safe access to sanitation, while plastic keeps on filling our oceans and our landfills.
The 3D printed toiletron has been an incredible challenge for us. It is printed out of 100% recycled materials. Working with mechanics, working with the sliding doors, working with off-the-shelf products such as separation toilets, really made this piece special and also special in its development.
Additive manufacturing has opened a vast array of new possibilities for the creation of more sustainable but also scalable building materials, which can address this critical issue.
Since we first met, our passion for technology and a sustainable future really brought an infinite set of ideas. So we hope that this exercise of rethinking an incredibly banal object such as the portable toilet will inspire a new generation of designers and makers to really erase every preconception of what an object should be.
In the words of our creative activists in Chibondo, Uganda, waste is only waste if you waste it.